Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a highly requested recipe, and this one is for carrot bake. It's really delicious and you all are going to love it. So let's jump straight into this recipe. Let me show you how easy this one is to make. To start this recipe, I have my all-purpose flour in my bowl, and to that I'm going to be adding vegetable shortening, also known as crisco or cookeen or prize. If you didn't want to use this, you can also use butter or margarine. We're going to break that up into the flour, and once it's well incorporated, we'll add in the rest of ingredients. Now I'm going to go in with salt, yeast, sugar, and coconut milk powder. Now if you wanted to knead this with coconut milk, you can. I just really love the flavor of that coconut milk powder. So I'm going to give everything a quick mix to make sure it's well incorporated. And now we're going to go in with some pimento peppers that I finely grated and one large carrot finely grated. You want to mix that in really well, and then add in your lukewarm water. Now I used 1.5 cups of lukewarm water for this entire recipe. You may use more or less depending on the type of flour you use and the climate you live in. So you're going to continue to knead this until it comes together and it's smooth. I'm going to add some oil to the surface and continue to knead it by pressing it down with my knuckles. You want the dough to be really smooth. So I say about 8 minutes of kneading in total. Then bring it into a bowl. Now what you want to do is take a damp paper towel or tea towel and cover this and allow it to rest for 30 minutes. It will double in size, and once it's finished resting, you're going to go ahead and press down to release the air that's built up in there, and then we're going to break it into 2 dough balls. Now I'm making 2 large bakes with this. You can make smaller bakes or you can make these into hop spread. And if you wanted to roll out one and make it into a roti, of course you can do that also. So you're going to lightly grease a flat tray and you're going to open out your dough balls. Now one will fit on a tray. You don't want to join them because they will stick. And then once you've opened them out, you're going to press it with a fork, make some indentations. And then you're going to allow it to rest again for 10 minutes while the oven is preheating. And then we're going to bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Once it's done, you want it to cool down completely. Remove it from this tray and place it on a wire rack because it will start to sweat on the bottom. So you want to cut it and enjoy it with some butter, or you can enjoy it with cheese, saltfish, smoked herring, whatever you want with this. Egg, fried egg, feel free to do that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all for requesting it. Make it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.